Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to automate workflows using Make in 2026, here is the real situation, no illusions. Hostinger Website Builder doesn't connect directly to Make. There is no native integration, no webhook, and no API access inside the builder. But you can still automate indirectly, and I will show you what actually works and what doesn't and when you must upgrade. Okay, so first thing first, Hostinger forms. So the first method, go to Hostinger. This is the simplest workaround. So how it works: Hostinger form, email, make email module. So steps, for example, create a contact form in Hostinger Website Builder, set form notifications to send a specific email. In Make, on the other hand, use email, Gmail, Outlook module, trigger new email, pairs fields, okay, and send data to Google Sheets, Notion, CRM, etc. So works for basic lead capture, not real time, limited structure, fragile if email format changes. So this is not a real integration, but it works. Okay, so what you cannot do with Hostinger Website Builder, you cannot use Make webhooks, catch costume events, trigger scenarios from buttons, track page visits or clicks, okay, access raw form data. So these are hard limitations, not missing settings. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.